Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Google Chrome built-in reading list features. This is a simple way to save web pages and access them anytime, even offline. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. Whenever you are using the multiple web pages, you would like to save for later reading. You have to select the tab and right click. Then you have to click on the add to reading list. This will be added to the reading list. You can click to open here, or else you can add another page. Add tab to reading list. So I have added second one. Also, I have added this tab, also add the reading list. Right click and add to reading list. That's it. You can click to directly open here, or else you can go to the customize and control the Google Chrome button. Then you have to click on this, then go to bookmark and list. Here you have to click on the show reading list. It will be open the side panel, then all of the reading list will be listed here. You can read anytime using here, even if you close the all button. So here you can click on the tab to open the page. Once you have read this, you click on the mark as to read. That's it. It will be removed. That's it. So in this way, you can easy to create the reading list in Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.